Hey everyone, what if I told you there are artificial intelligence tools available right this very second that can step in and completely replace the wildly expensive software you're probably using right now? Welcome to This Explainer. Look, if you're a creator, an entrepreneur, or honestly just a professional trying to optimize your day, you know exactly how fast those monthly subscription fees pile up. It's crazy. Today, we're going to explore how you can claw back hundreds of hours of your precious time. We are diving into how 10 specific, highly effective AI tools can replace pricey software subscriptions and outsourced tasks, helping you work smarter, create way faster, and ultimately keep your hard-earned cash right where it belongs. So, the bottom line is this. By fundamentally rethinking your daily workflow, you can keep over $1,000 in your pocket every single year. And we aren't just talking about cutting corners here or, sacrificing the quality of your work. We are talking about real, tangible money that you can reinvest right back into your business or, let's be totally honest, use to take a well-deserved vacation instead of just burning it on overhead. This is really all about working with leverage and letting technology do the heavy lifting that used to cost a total premium. Okay, let's ask this critical question to kick things off. Be completely honest with yourself for a second. Are you paying for tools you simply don't need? Think about your monthly credit card statements. You know, all those sneaky recurring charges that just kind of slip by unnoticed every month. The reality for most of us is that we're unintentionally bleeding money on redundant software subscriptions or paying a premium for basic services that AI can literally handle in seconds. I mean, we all have that one app we pay $20 a month for and use maybe twice a year, right? Let's start making some smart swaps right now. All right, Section 1, Writing and Deep Research, your AI text ecosystem. So often, people look at AI as this giant, confusing magic box that just writes things for you. But breaking it down by specific use cases, that changes absolutely everything. For instance, you've got ChatGPT for those rapid-fire tasks, brainstorming new concepts, writing quick emails, or generating code snippets on the fly. Then you have Grammarly. Now, Grammarly goes way beyond basic spell check. It acts as a dedicated editor to make sure your professional business documents are totally flawless. Add in Perplexity AI for source research and Claude for your heavy, deep analysis, and boom, you've suddenly built a complete, highly specialized text ecosystem for yourself. Now, a super fascinating contrast here is between Claude and ChatGPT. A lot of people think they do the exact same thing, but you really want to treat them differently to maximize your efficiency. Actually, think of it like this. Claude is your marathon runner. It's your deep writing partner for long documents, massive coding projects, and complex data analysis because it thrives on holding vast amounts of context. On the flip side, ChatGPT is your sprinter. It's your absolute go-to for instant, high-quality results. It is perfect for firing off quick messages, brainstorming a quick list of ideas, or learning a brand new skill in a 5-minute window. Let's move over to Perplexity for a second. If you've ever lost an hour opening endless browser tabs just to find one simple statistic, the absolute struggle of modern internet searching. Well, Perplexity completely changes the research game by acting like a 24/7 research assistant. It gives you direct, comprehensive answers and instantly integrates the clickable sources right into the text itself. No way, right? It literally eliminates the hunt entirely, meaning you no longer have to spend time endlessly sifting through ad-stuffed websites just to find the actual truth. Moving right along to Section 2, Next Level Visual Content, where we ditch the expensive design software. Creating professional designs used to require a massive budget and a really steep learning curve. But not anymore. With tools like Canva AI, you can generate entire presentations, dynamic social media posts, engaging thumbnails, and high-quality marketing materials with just a few simple text prompts. I mean, it literally levels the playing field. And stepping in to replace pricey stock photos is Midjourney. Midjourney allows you to create absolutely stunning, highly specific artwork and marketing images totally from scratch. You seriously no longer have to settle for that exact same generic corporate stock image that everyone else on the internet is using. Okay, Section 3, Audio, Video, and Organization. Let's talk about streamlining your media workflow. Think for a second about what it used to take to produce a professional video. You needed scriptwriters, voice actors, a dedicated video editor, the whole shebang. Now, look at this incredible 3-step pipeline. First, you draft your script rapidly using ChatGPT. Second, you hand that text over to 11 Labs to generate incredibly natural-sounding voiceovers. I'm talking complete with breathing and perfect pacing, completely eliminating the need to cast and pay voice actors. Finally, you just drop it into Runway, which uses AI to edit, remove backgrounds, and generate professional effects in literal minutes. This entire pipeline basically replaces a full-on production team. And on the organizational side, we absolutely can't skip over Notion AI. Whether you are a student keeping track of lectures, a professional managing projects, or a business owner trying to scale up, this acts as your all-in-one digital manager. Imagine having a tool that not only organizes your raw notes, but actually summarizes your hour-long meetings so you don't have to reread massive transcripts. It automatically extracts your action items, creates your task list, and even helps draft your follow-up content. It takes all the tedious heavy lifting right out of your administrative work. Finally, we hit section 4, the workspace integrator, maximizing efficiency in Google. So Google Gemini takes the #1 spot on our list, and it's because of its brilliant native integration. The real magic here is that it lives right inside your existing workflow. Google Docs, Gmail, Sheets, and all the other Google Workspace apps you already use. You don't have to break your concentration or suffer from context switching just to open up a new tab. It is right there, helping you write faster, instantly analyzing complex data in your spreadsheets, and automating everyday tasks. You get all this power seamlessly integrated without needing to open or pay for a totally separate application. Bringing it all back to your wallet, the math is truly undeniable. By replacing those outsourced simple tasks, canceling your pricey graphic design software, dropping premium stock photo libraries, and ditching expensive research tools, you are easily saving over $1,000 annually. And honestly, the absolute best part, you're actually increasing your output and productivity at the exact same time. It's one of those rare win-wins where cutting costs actually leads to a much higher quality, far more efficient workflow. So, to wrap up this explainer, I want you to take a hard, honest look at your current subscriptions. Audit your daily workflow and ask yourself this final money-saving question: which expensive software are you going to replace first? Just pick one tool from this list, try it out this week, and watch your productivity absolutely transform. Thanks for discovering these insights with me today, and keep learning.